Other hand. Like that, yep. Look down at her like kind of like type shit. Yeah, like that, boom. Hey your body. There we go.
Stop laughing at me.
I'm just saying, bro, you throw it up, do some shit. Okay, but I think I got it. Hold on, let me see. Alright, I'm gonna show you so you can see the colors, skin color and stuff like that. Don't look at the pose, obviously. Look at how y'all look at that shit. Yeah.
I want to sit down.
I mean, yes.
Yeah,
don't worry
obviously.
about that yet. Just like look at the skin color of your skin. Yes. Nice lighting. Yeah. See, there we go. That bit smooth. That's all I needed to hear. That bit smooth. No, you're not sitting down. You're gonna stand real quick. All right. So he's holding him. Switch spots. There you go. Boom. So now you're gonna come on the side of him, just like so. Put your hand on him. Type shit. There you go. Yeah. Come on. You know what to do. You got it. You don't put your arm around her. Yeah, just like that. And you put your hand on him. Boom, like that. There you go. What's his name? Kaylin. All right. There we go. Look. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. So you check these out. What, bro? You want to smile and you don't want to smile, and he's smiling and you not smiling. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. What's your problem? Go ahead. We're listening. What's wrong?
Okay. Let me fix myself.
Okay. Thank you. Let's do it again. That's your good side. Okay. Well, just switch him. Yeah, there you go. Okay, you can leave him in the middle then. Or yeah, you can leave him in the middle. You leave him in the middle. There you go. Yeah, that's cute. See, like there you go. Hold it.
You keep.
Realistic, you get on him. There you go. Look at it. Look, Caleb. Yeah, Caleb. I'm warning you ahead of time. Don't be doing too much, okay? Because I'm yelling. I'm doing all of this stuff to get the kids' attention. Like I tell you guys, you have to do anything for the shot. And here, this is what I have to do for the shot. So being that I have to yell and sound crazy and weird in order to get this child's attention, it's what I have to do for the shot. Anything for the shot. Let's get back to the video. Everybody look. Hold it. There we go.
It's always me.
Yeah, he's a kid.
See, that's my good side.
Smooth.
Yeah, he's a kid, yeah.
You gotta fix his pants. I hate when his pants are like.
Oh, high watered? High watered?
Here, I love that.
Better be doing more. Better hold it. Come closer to him, like you're kind of like helping him hold him.
Stop rising his pants up.
I ain't rising. I'm rising
Yeah,
myself.
trying to. Yeah, there you go. Yep, just like that. There you go. Kaylin! Look right here, yep. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Kaylin! Switch sides with him. Try to switch sides. No. Put him on your, yeah.
That's
There you go, like that. And then now you could put your hand up. You can put your hand up, like, match his energy. There you go, like that. There you go. Fix his pants, because, you know, she gonna trip. So, there you go. Yeah, see, there you go. Boom, that's cute. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Put your hand up on his chest. 3, 2, 1. Come on, right there. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, look at me. There you go. One more. Hold it. There we go.
Oh, I was so tempted.
To what?
Stick up my middle finger.
Continue, you know what I'm saying? It's okay. Yeah, these are cute. These look really good. Yeah,
Kaylin, why? Gosh.
Hey.
You look so oily. There you go.
He's cooperating. Best part about it, he's
Make your
cooperating.
forehead look big.
He's cooperating. Bet. Alright, so now what I'm thinking is I'm gonna throw the chair in. I'm gonna have you sit, right? Actually, I'm gonna have you sit and you hold him, okay? And you're gonna be behind her. No, actually, never mind. He's taller, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have him sit. There you go. You're gonna be behind him on his shoulder. Okay, there.
I can't even
Get up real quick and move it back.
over this man's head.
There you go. So right there. There you go. And you're gonna kind of hold.
This way.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
gotta go get him.
Damn, yeah, your side. I forgot. Bro, hey. No, we gotta keep remembering her side. How you forgetting? There we go. Yeah.
Jalen,
Oh,
stop.
oh, it's okay. You were cooperating. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey yo. Hey yo, buddy. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. Jalen. Jalen. Yo 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 yo. There we go. Yeah.
Him and his mouth open.
At least he's cooperating, man.
Yeah, this time. Remember last time?
That's what I'm saying. At least he's cooperating. Yeah. Get right behind him and like have your hands like on him. Yeah, and like kind of like poke out from the side just a little bit. Yeah, just like that, like that, like that. Yep, just like that. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yep, smiles, cheeses. Yeah, there you go. One more, hold it. Ew! Ew! Hey, look! Ah! 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 Ew! Ew! There you go. One more, one more. Oh! There you go. Got him. Yeah, he's cute.
You can't get no.
And now he moves to the floor.
Kelly got your head yourself. Now you're gonna sit down. You're gonna sit down.
Go ahead, because I feel like she got some ideas in mind. Go ahead.
Sit down.
Let her cook, because I feel like she got some ideas in mind. She got some ideas in mind. Ooh, she got some ideas in mind. Yeah, yeah, see, yeah. She done already seen some. She done seen some. Hey, hey. To me, cooperating is not tearing up. So, he's cooperating. Yeah, it's okay. There you go. Hold his face, like hold the side of his face. Hold. Other hand, other hand, other hand. Like that, yep. Look down at her like kind of like type shit. Yeah, like that, boom. Hey your body, hey your body. There we go. Freeze up! Freeze up! Ooh! Get it! Ooh! 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 One more. Yeah! Ooh! Get it! Let's try these out. I got it right before he looked away. Hold on. Look at you. There you go. Yeah.
That was cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
We got some sharp nails.
Ah! My knees.
Them nails sharp. What you about to say? What happened? What you thinking? What? Huh? You just stood up. So what are you thinking? Are you thinking of a standing one or you about to go back down? Okay, okay, okay. Let me know when you run out.
Making me hot.
Let me know when you run out of ideas.
I'm done.
All right, bet. So I'm gonna have you sit, right? So you're gonna sit like this, legs down, and I'm gonna have you with your legs over him, and he's gonna be in the middle, maybe. All right, so you're gonna sit with your back to the tree. Damn, I keep forgetting you got a side, bro. Yeah, I keep forgetting you got a side. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and put both your legs down, out straight. Yeah, scoot more to the background. A little more, right there, boom. And now, yeah, and he's gonna be in the middle. Yeah, just like that. And now you're gonna sit, both legs on the other sides of him. So sit down, just sit on your butt, and then put both your legs on each side, over his legs. Yep, and now scoot in close. Like that, boom, and he's in the middle. And you guys are interacting with him, and I'm taking the pictures like while y'all are interacting. Ew. Stanley, man. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yep, interacting with him. Yes, there we go. Yeah. 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 He like, what, both of y'all so close? There we go. Yeah. Yep. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep playing with him. Yep. Exactly that. Yep. Yep. Exactly. Yes. There we go. Now let's get one of both of you guys looking. Trying to look at me like while holding. There you go. Yeah, like that. Kaden! Oh, Kaden! Freeze, body freeze! Kaden! It's right here. It's right here. Ooh, it's right here. It's right here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. There we go.
Oh, Kaylin, you a lot of work.
Hey,
Making me tired.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's hard.
That's not funny. He's abusive.
Oh man, he's yours, so technically, you know, in a sense. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, these are fire. These are fire. No homo, you're photogenic.
Yeah, I'm not.
I ain't say you weren't.
I only have one good side. Kaylin photogenic too if he stays still.
All over the place.
Like, these
That's
are fire.
cute.
Right?
Cause he looking.
That's smooth.
Right?
Oh, he looked like you right there. That look.
That's smooth.
Yeah.
I fuck it up.
Yeah, these are... Hell, and it went flat. How about that? I never wanted this other never look back. Like I cooked crap. Hell, and I bounced back. The mother niggas took an L and they went, how about that? I didn't want it. Michael Phelps never look back. What's up, gang? We're turning off all the lights. We just finished the photo shoot. We're about to go upstairs. We have to do a lot of editing. We took off. We did a little bit of a break, if that makes sense, but we got a lot of editing to do. We have a lot of clients to get their stuff to. This is why I don't take breaks. This is why I never take days off, because one day off sets you back. And it hurts. Alexa, stop. And it hurts when you get set back. When you get set back, you feel worthless. You feel terrible. You feel like a bad person because you chose to prioritize you over your clients. And it's hard, bro. Like I continue to tell y'all why I want to stop doing this type of work for real. Like, you know, like nothing against my clients. Just, you know, I want to be able to not do this type of work anymore. You know, like, I don't know. I just feel like there's so much other stuff that I could be doing, I feel, with like my skill set, with my type of skill set and my like level of like knowledge, I guess you could say, that just doesn't have to pertain to photography. Like, I feel like there's a lot of other stuff that I know how to do and a lot of stuff that I can do, you know, for the business and for P&G culture and for a lot of other things that I'm not able to do because I'm so locked in, you know what I'm saying, with the business side of photography. Like, I love photography, don't get me twisted, don't get it wrong, but, you know what I'm saying, there's an extent to where, you know what I'm saying, to where, like, you know, you're able to really be a full-fledged photographer, and now you're just, you know, arguing with clients, going back and forth, having stuff like that happen. And it's not that I can't take it. I've been doing it for about to be going on 4 years now. You know what I'm saying? But it's just like, when you're so passionate about something, some things just aren't worth it, you know? Like, some things aren't worth the time, the energy, the headache. Some things just aren't worth that, you know? And like, with that being said, it's like relatively hard to combat that, you know what I'm saying? Because you know what you want to do, you know the type of creator that you are. So when it happens that, you know, things don't go a certain way that you want and you wanted them to go, you know what I'm saying? It's like, you got to deal with all of that now. It's like, you don't have to just, you know what I'm saying? Like, especially like when problems happen with clients, you didn't expect for that problem to happen. You didn't want that problem to happen, but it just happened. Now you got to deal with it. And maybe sometimes that problem is out of your control, but being that you are that business owner, you have to deal with said problem, no matter if it's in your control or out of your control. And I'm just getting tired of it. I really want to be able to, you know, be my own boss, if that makes sense. And I feel like people kind of underestimate the idea of being your own boss. And I feel like, you know, they're like, oh, being your own boss, you know, you're able to make your hours whenever you want, doing full-time photography, all of that, boom, boom, boom. And it's like, yes, you know, you are your own boss. You can make your own hours, but there's still an extent to which that kind of, I guess, applies and like doesn't apply. Because like you make your own hours, but there's still the extent to where you have to fit within the constraints of the hours that your clients, you know, want. Because they might want a time that's not available, that you don't have available, or they may want you at a point when you feel like you're not really able to give that. You know what I'm saying? So there's also all of those different types of sacrifices that kind of go into it as well that you don't really think about when doing it. You know what I mean? Or when starting. So I feel like that's kind of where I'm at right now, and I just know that there's so much that I can give the social media world. You know, if I had more time and less time for clients, I would be able to do a lot more. But it's just so hard because I love what I do, and I know there's a lot of people that would love to work with me, and I don't want to, you know, be the one that cuts these people off from the chance of being able to work with me. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like it's a heavy medium. Like it's hard to put 50% and 50% into something. Like it's hard to just, you know, it's not necessarily half-assing, but it's just like, you know, you're not putting 100% effort. Like I can't put 100% effort into my you know, YouTube channel and Patreon and stuff like that. I can't put 100% effort into it. You know what I'm saying, bro? What did Casper touch, bro? He touched something that just messed something up, bro. But it's like I can't put 100% effort. You get what I'm saying? Like I can't put 100% effort into certain things that I would want to, that I would like to put 100% effort in. And I feel like that's where the problem comes. You know, guys, vlogging slows you down so much. So I'm literally about to go head out now to do a shoot for a client it's a paparazzi shoot. So I'm gonna do a paparazzi shoot for a client. I need to be leaving like now. So talking to y'all is already slowing me down, but I gotta make sure that I get that content in for y'all. So that's what I'm doing right now, is making sure that I get the content in. I need to give me like a little side bag that's like low-key smaller than the big bag that I have currently. So yeah, but we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna keep on pushing. We're going ahead with Vlogmas. I'm trying to find out where I fit at in this like vlogging space, if that makes sense, because I love vlogging and things that I do, but also like, you know, I'm not saying it's competition, but it's like the people that I watch and like I feel like, I don't know, like I feel like my life's not as interesting as theirs, but then it's like everybody has their own life and their own story, so I guess you kind of just gotta like document it in your own way, like the best way that you can, and then, you know, your community will find you. So I guess it's not really more so, you know, trying to force the community on yourself. It's kind of more so allowing that community to find you, per se. And yeah, so got my batteries on me. I need to get my extra battery just in case. Always have that in my pocket. Never know if you actually might need it. Usually never do need it, but you never know if you might need it. Keep this on me just in case I need to make some content with the DJI. Got my little chest mount that I got from Telus, and they sent that over like today, basically. But I gotta get my 8200 from, yeah, I gotta get my 8200. Okay, here we go. My little reflector. Well, not reflector, but y'all know what I mean. I just don't got enough time to be talking right now. That's what's happening, and I'm rushing. So we're about to go ahead and head out. I'm gonna take these little popcorns with me just to give myself something to snack on while I'm driving, because I love chewing while driving. So we're about to go ahead and head out. I'm gonna get my boom, 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 boom. Just make sure I have everything. I'm gonna start carrying a flashlight on me for no reason, like literally zero reason. Oh, I gotta do a review for that, bro. There's so much going on. I just think I gotta fall in love with documenting it myself, like just documenting my version of my journey, because it's my journey, and stop getting jealous of, not jealous, but like, I don't know, you know, I don't know. It's like an entitlement, imposter syndrome type conungalism, whatever that is.